Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus without chickpeas. You might be surprised at how many fantastic options exist beyond the classic garbanzo bean. We'll explore various legumes that can create a wonderfully smooth and flavorful dip, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to expand your culinary horizons and enjoy a fresh take on this beloved spread. It's easier than you think to whip up a batch with ingredients you might already have. When making hummus without chickpeas, your base ingredient is key. White beans, such as cannellini or Great Northern beans, are excellent choices for their mild flavor and incredibly creamy texture. Red lentils also work beautifully, offering a slightly earthier profile and cooking quickly. For a sweeter, more vibrant dip, try roasted carrots or sweet potatoes. Each option brings its own unique character to the final product. Preparing your chickpea-free hummus is straightforward. First, combine your cooked base ingredient with tahini, fresh lemon juice, and a clove or two of garlic in a food processor. Next, drizzle in a few tablespoons of good quality olive oil to achieve that desired richness and silky smooth texture. Blend everything until it's completely smooth, scraping down the sides as needed. Taste and adjust seasonings like salt and pepper to your preference. Once your delicious hummus is ready, it's time to serve. Garnish it with a generous swirl of olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika, and some fresh parsley or cilantro for a beautiful presentation. It pairs wonderfully with warm pita bread, crisp vegetable sticks, or as a flavorful spread in sandwiches and wraps. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your homemade, chickpea-free hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.